if you want to change language on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, all you have to do is simply open Settings. Let's go to Settings, then we're gonna scroll down until you find the General Management option. Next, we can choose a language, and over here we can press Add Language in order to choose the new language that we wish to have on our phone. So let's say I'm gonna choose this German one. In case your language is used in different regions or different countries, then you can also choose your region or country. So let's say I'm gonna choose Germany over here. And then you can also choose to set it as the default one. So as you can see now, the language is immediately chosen as the main one. So the first language on this list is the language that is used on this phone. You can also tap on this. Let me actually switch to English so I can show you how it looks like after changing. So we can press on Edit over here in the top right corner in order to sort the list, to change the order. You can also select the alt language that you don't want to use anymore, and you can press Delete at the bottom to get rid of it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.